welcome to the Avenue. That's what we're gonna call my channel from now on, because I just hate the way channel sounds, and literally every person on YouTube says, hey, welcome to my channel. So hey y'all, welcome to the Avenue, right? Got a little sauce on it, you feel me? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night, whatever time it is or wherever it is you're watching this from. What have y'all been up to? Give me the dirty deets. What have you guys been doing? I haven't been doing too much, you know, just taking care of my family, spending time with them, loving on them. Just celebrated my anniversary like last week. Got my nose pierced with my best friend for her birthday. Let's get into this video. One of my very good friends had seen a set of nails that I did, and I'll post a picture of those nails in the video. Of the rainbow, we did a solid color. You'll see the little I'm calling like the Play Luna is like red on hers instead of like different colors. And then I think we did like a mix of orange, yellow, and red dried flowers in the stems. Came out really, really pretty, y'all. I'll show you how I did that. Did on my nails was the background was white, so having to do just a fill on her made this much quicker process. So I just did a fill, and what you do in a fill, well, really I had to kind of do a bit of a fill, a very, very little bit of a rebalance, just having to take off just a little bit at the top. A fill is just like when you fill in basically the back part, you don't really have to do too much work on the rest of the nail to rebuild the apex. In this case, it was pretty much just a fill. I didn't have to really take down too much. It was really just taking down the polish and just a little bit of bulk. And so I did skip certain parts of like just doing the same thing on the other hand. It just really didn't make too much sense to do that. Right now I'm going in, you see me push back the epinicium, not the cuticle, you push back the epinicium, and I'm removing the cuticle now with a cuticle bit. Going from left to right, starting with the pinky. Then here I'm just narrowing the sides because they were just a little bulky, because of course they've grown out so that nails come up. So they were a little bulky on the sides, and I like to contour the nail to exactly how like the finger is shaped. So you just, this little line that you have here and the line that you have here, I take my file and I just go across that line, and because it just perfectly curves to your nail and it looks really nice. Now we've done that on both hands and we're cleaning them off, and now here we're gonna apply a clear acrylic. So you're laying some acrylic down just a little bit, enough to adhere to a couple of the little flower pieces that you're gonna grab and just immediately put on. So you see I have them sitting on my towels that they were close to me, using my nail brush to just pick up those flowers, pick them up, and then put them onto the nail. And just quickly do that, and then right after that, just cap the whole nail, because after that, there's nothing else that I'm gonna do to the nail. It's like, it's done at that point. nails were like so long. She actually wanted them longer and I forgot. So really I should have put, they would have been a lot longer than this, but I completely forgot. My friend loves me though, so she forgave me. Chunks, I don't know if I had my drill going the wrong way or what. Some of the chunks got stuck in between my little bristles. They're not called bristles, I forget what they're called, but in between the nooks and crannies of my bit. If y'all know some really good bits, put them in the details section in the comment section. Because I feel like I go through bits really quickly. I don't know if it's me, it ain't me. But I go through bits really quickly, cuticle bits especially. I feel like the diamond bits, maybe that's because, they're diamond bits, so they go out easy, but I don't know. I don't feel like I have a big enough clientele for them to be going out as quickly as they do. I don't use them that damn often. Feel me? So now here, here we are going in with my Melody Susie drill, and I'm concaving the nail, going from the right side to the left side. Doop, 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 doop. And it's a safety bit one, so I can go up into the cuticle and just make sure that back here just looks really nice and pretty, sitting right. And you have a nice little shoo. This ain't what your nail look. Shoo. Depending on how long it is. Tip for drilling. So I look at the nail, I look at it like I'm looking at it like this, right? How I want the nail to look, if I'm looking at it like this or whatever, is that the sides come in no matter what the shape is. The sides are gonna be bent like this, almost like a pyramid, but not so sharp. And the top is always going to be the highest part. So I want it to be, it's like as if I had a pyramid until I shave the top down of that pyramid so that it goes like this. So my side coming in like this, but my top is nice and round and the highest peak of the nail, so that all of the pressure is right down the middle. The thickest part is still at the top and in the back, but you have the nail, even when it's going down, it's going down like that. I hope that makes sense. And I just have that same ideology no matter if I'm using an e-file or a hand file. I feel like you can kind of see it, I'm brushing downward like this on the left side, and then brushing downward like this on the right hand side, and then kind of going over the top like this. I feel like that makes sense. the dotting tool was the easiest tool I had to do this. Now the next time that I do it, I probably still will start with the dotting tool, but I'll either do it, because the dotting tool wasn't bad, it was just like it wasn't making sharp lines at the end. So I definitely have recently purchased some new art brushes, so I'll be using more of those and practicing more with those. And so maybe I'll redo the set or something similar to it where I have to do those types of lines to really practice it better, because that's what took me the longest, was cleaning up that red line so that it was clean, because it definitely shows with white. Like, there's no hiding that. Tip, I wasn't thinking about it, and she brought this up after we kind of had laid the clear acrylic, but I didn't buff the white after I initially taken it all down, and I wasn't thinking about, oh yeah, I'm gonna cap it in clear, so it's gonna show those marks or those dents. I should have definitely buffed it after I had did the fill. 100%. But it looked really cool. I feel like it kind of gave it like a mosaic kind of look. I liked it. That's how I had did mine too, so. Final looks, y'all. Thanks for staying, thanks for chatting and hanging out with me. See y'all in my next video. Subscribe, come take a walk on the block off my avenue. Ooh, I like that. Bye.